Welcome to 12255 Sky Lane. My name is Sanam DeLoren from DeLoren Associates, and it is my privilege to show you this magnificent property on top of the hillsides of Brentwood. It was created by my father and I. You have the view of downtown Los Angeles all the way to the Pacific Ocean. There's a lot of flow and energy inside this house, so let's go explore it together. Follow me. Once inside, you're greeted by this beautiful walnut sculpture and this live green wall. The green wall is about 12 feet high and it's a natural air filter. Once you've taken in these beautiful sculptures, you're going to head into the main room. This space offers a variety of seating and entertaining options. You can sit by the fireplace with a friend or entertain hundreds of your closest friends here. The walnut bar structure was all hand carved. The curves of this beautiful sculpture leads to the heart of the house, the kitchen. The kitchen is dark and moody, and it has this luxurious black Calcutta marble that's very rare. I created the kitchen like that on purpose so that the food would be the showcase and the star. Every large home needs a cozy family room to retreat to, and this one is one of the best. We created the ultimate cozy space by texturing the walls with 3D paint and adding these beautiful cabinets that cantilever off the wall and are all backlit. At night, it looks spectacular. Even though this floor has a lot to offer, there's still so much more to see. Next stop, the entertainment level. The bottom level is dedicated to entertainment. We brought the dark tones downstairs to create an atmosphere of fun and sexiness. We have a movie theater room that can seat 15 people, perfect for an Oscar viewing or just a family getting together and watching their favorite film. The lower level also offers a gym and a sauna, and tucked away under the pool is the game room. There's definitely a lot of fun things to do down here, but when you want to relax and unwind, you'll head to the master level. Let's go. Welcome to the master, where luxury meets tranquility. This level starts with 2 junior masters, and if you follow the hardwood floors down the hall, it leads you to a beautiful master suite with 2 closets. One of my favorite things about this house is the 2 layers of facade. There is the building, and then there is this beautiful curve that wraps the building around. And it creates these incredible panoramic views, incredibly unique and special for this house. In California, we're lucky enough to be able to spend most of our time outdoors, and I wanted this backyard to have all the amenities you would have inside the house. And an added bonus, you have a 70-foot infinity edge pool that overlooks this incredible view. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey. I had a great time. I hope you did too. See you at my next project.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?